Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss basic data types. I will try to discuss all the data types in this lecture. So let's start. Okay. So as you all can see, there is a table in which you can see the name of the data types in the first column, and in the second column there is a type. That means Python has internal keyword, that is short name that we use in Python. Then there is a third column which is of description, in which we are describing a particular data type. So let's go to each data type one by one. Okay, so first one is integers. Integers, the type of integer is int, and integers are whole numbers. It's 3, 200, 20, 11, any one of them. Next one is floating point, and the type of floating point is float, float, and these numbers with a decimal points like 2.3, 4.6, 100.0. See, if 100.0 is also a decimal number because there is a point in the number. Okay, so let's jump to the other data types. Okay, so other one is strings, and the type of strings is str. These are ordered sequence of object. For example, hello, Sammy, 2000. See, strings are always written in a double quotes and not single quotes. And if a number or if a special character are also written in a single quotes or double quotes, they will consider as a string. Okay, then it's list, which is list, is the list type, and these are ordered sequence of objects. For these we are using a brackets, and we these are the sequence which are mapping together. And other one is dictionaries, and the data type is dict. Dictionaries are unordered key value pair, and for example, like my key is the key and value is the value of my key. Like name is the key and its value is semi, and these are always written in a curly bracket, otherwise it will consider as a list. So dictionary will always written in a curly bracket. Okay, jump to the next one is tuple. The data type of tuple is tup, and these are ordered immutable sequence of objects. These are similar to list, but there is a big difference, that is immutability. Immutability means that we can't change the order, and these are written in a bracket, and lists are written in a like straight brackets. And then other is sets, and the type of sets is set. These are unordered collection of unique objects, example in curly brackets a and b. Other one is boolean, that is the data type of boolean is bool, bool, logical value indicating true or false. These are the basic data types. Okay, don't worry if you didn't understand any of these, because we will discuss each data types in detail in my upcoming lecture. So don't worry, and thank you everyone. Thanks.